Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add friend in Valorant. Now it doesn't really matter whether you are in game or you are on the main menu for Valorant, but simply all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the side category right here. And simply once inside, you then have this plus icon. So simply click on it. You then have the ability to connect your Discord. You can see your friend request right here. And then you have the add new friend option. Now it's really necessary to know the Riot ID and at the same time the hashtag of that specific player. So for example, the person that I want to add is going to be Veskind, hashtag 0000. Click on the plus icon, and from there you will be able to send a friend request into this specific username right here. You can also see your friend request if you want to accept or decline friend requests. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.